Welcome to the Foundations of Big Data. In this lesson, we will explore essential concepts that lay the groundwork for understanding big data in the context of data science. Big data encompasses vast volumes of information generated continuously. It includes diverse data types, which present unique challenges for analysis and storage, as we will discuss further. Understanding big data is vital for decision-making and innovation. Organizations harness insights from data to enhance their strategies and create groundbreaking products, reflecting its significance in today's world. Big data is characterized by its velocity and veracity. The speed at which data is generated requires real-time processing, while ensuring data quality remains a significant challenge. Let's look at how big data is applied in various industries. From healthcare to finance, organizations are leveraging big data for transformative solutions. Several technologies support big data processing, including Hadoop and Spark. These frameworks enable efficient storage and analysis, essential for handling large datasets. This quote by Clive Humby encapsulates the essence of data in today's world. Just as oil fueled the Industrial Revolution, data drives innovation and growth. Despite its advantages, big data presents challenges such as data privacy and integration. Organizations must navigate these obstacles to harness the full potential of their data. Looking ahead, AI integration and edge computing are emerging trends in big data. These advancements promise to enhance data analysis and improve real-time decision-making. Big data analytics involves various techniques, including descriptive and predictive analytics. These methods transform raw data into actionable insights, essential for informed decision-making. Examining case studies reveals how industries leverage big data. Retailers optimize inventory, while healthcare providers enhance patient care through data analysis. Visualizing big data is crucial for understanding complex information. Effective visualization techniques help stakeholders grasp insights quickly and make informed decisions. Data governance is vital for maintaining quality and compliance. Establishing clear policies and appointing data stewards ensures the integrity of big data initiatives. Ethics play a significant role in big data. Organizations must navigate concerns regarding data usage and bias to ensure responsible practices in their analytics efforts. Edwards Deming's quote highlights the importance of data in decision-making. In the realm of big data, informed opinions are backed by solid evidence. In summary, big data is defined by its unique characteristics. Its applications are transformative, influencing innovation and decision-making in various sectors. As we conclude, consider exploring further into data analytics. Applying big data concepts in real-world scenarios will solidify your understanding and skills. Thank you for participating in this lesson on the foundations of big data. Your commitment to learning is commendable, and we hope you apply these insights in your future endeavors. In conclusion, big data is a powerful tool that influences many aspects of our lives. Understanding its foundations will empower you in your data science journey. Thank you for joining this lesson. Stay curious and continue exploring the fascinating world of data science.